Hello, my name's Robin from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line 35 TDI. It comes dressed in the stunning Navarra Blue, sure to turn heads when on the road, and to the rear of the vehicle you can see the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile, and the vehicle has done 1,746 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery, with the centre armrest with two cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S&Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to show you all the pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can select a preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Below, you have the 2 USB charging points that help keep devices powered up when on the go, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A3 Sportback is now on site and available. Speak to our sales team today for more information. Thank you.